To delete a token in Metamask, start by opening the Metamask extension in your browser. Click on the three dots next to the account name and select Assets from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the Assets tab where you can view all the tokens you have added to your Metamask wallet. In the Assets tab, you will see a list of all the tokens you have added, including their balances and current prices. To delete a token, find the token you want to delete and click on the three dots next to it. This will open a menu with options to edit the token, hide it, or delete it. Select the Hide Token option to remove the token from your visible assets list. This will not delete the token from your wallet, but it will prevent it from appearing in your assets list. If you want to completely remove the token from your wallet, you will need to use a different method. To completely delete a token, you will need to use the Metamask interface to remove the token's smart contract address from your wallet. To do this, go to the Contracts tab in Metamask and find the smart contract address of the token you want to delete. Click on the three dots next to the contract address and select Delete Contract. This will remove the contract address from your wallet and prevent you from interacting with the token. Note that deleting a token's smart contract address will not recover any funds you have invested in the token. It will only remove the token from your Metamask wallet. It is also important to note that deleting a token from Metamask will not delete it from the blockchain. It will only remove it from your local wallet. The token will still exist on the blockchain and you will still be able to access it using a different wallet or interface. In conclusion, deleting a token in Metamask involves hiding or removing the token's smart contract address from your wallet. This can be done through the Assets tab or the Contracts tab in Metamask. It is important to understand that deleting a token will not recover any funds you have invested in it and will only remove it from your local wallet.